Good morning and afternoon, distinguished colleagues and respected conference participants. I'm Agusta Wijaya, and together with my colleague Nicholas Sugijono from Bina Nusantara University, we're excited to present our research on trend analysis of students' thesis topics using abstract summarization and clustering techniques at IEEE International Conference on Industry 4.0 Artificial Intelligence and Communication Technology to represent a novel approach to mapping intellectual trajectory in academic research. And next, this is our list of content. Next again. And let's dive in. First, the background. Into the rapidly evolving academic landscape, understanding research trend has become more significant than ever. Our study aims to provide innovation insight into how we can systematically analyze and categorize student thesis topics using cutting-edge computational techniques. We picked this thesis because, first, a thesis is an important part of the student's learning process and improving their studies. And second, students have difficulty in determining a thesis topics that suits their chosen major. The third one is this research can be used as a consideration for developing students' learning curriculum in the future. And next, we have 4 problems and the formulation of its problems. The first problem is what are the main themes that emerged in this thesis computer science students at Bina Nusantara University during the period of 2022 until 2026. And the first one is the formulation. This research aims to identify and analyze terms that are often raised in the student's thesis, as well as understanding existing patterns of topic selection. And the problem 2, how can natural language processing, or NLP, and clustering techniques be used to analyze and group thesis topics? And the formulation is this research will explore the methods and techniques used in NLP and clustering to extract information and group thesis terms based on similarities. And next, for problem 3, next. What trends and patterns can be identified from analyzing student assistance, and how can this contribute to curriculum development at Bina Nusantara University? For the first one, this formulation, this research will analyze the clustering result to identify existing trends, as well as provide recommendation for developing a curriculum that is more relevant and responsive to the needs of students and industry. For the problem 4, what is the impact of using thesis topics on the quality of research and student contribution in the field of computer science? And the formulation is, this research will evaluate how choosing the right topic can influence the quality of the thesis and students' contribution to the development of science in the field. Next, we are going to share our 3 research purposes. The first one is identifying the main themes in computer science students' thesis. And second one is applying natural language processing or NLP and clustering techniques. And the third one is provide insight for curriculum development and research thesis action. We also have 3 research functions. Next. To providing insight for universities in designing curriculum, and then provide data to understand research trends in the field of computer science. And then the last one is to encourage students to choose relevant and current topics. Next, we have 5 steps in research methodology. First one is a collection that is going to collecting titles and abstract from computer science students' thesis from 2022 until 2026. And for the exploratory data analysis, we're going to analyze keywords with the themes that have been recorded. And for the data preprocessing, we're going to use lower casing, tokenization, stop removal, and then lemmatization. Next, we're going to do some keyword extraction using keyboard to extract the main theme-nya. And then we're going to clustering using k-means to group thesis topics.
Okay, for our research process, first we did data collection. We extracted thesis data from Venus University Library Repository, focusing specifically on 3 key attributes: thesis title, abstract text, and submission year. Our data set covers thesis entries from 2021 to 2024, with the primary emphasis on English language abstracts. The collection process involves systematic database querying, ensuring a comprehensive and reliable research material for our trend analysis. Next is for our EDA. In our exploratory data analysis, we begin by reviewing the dataset structure using head and tail, and to examine the initial and final rows of the data. After that, we use info to understand its size, data types, and missing values. Next, we load the LangDetect library to identify the language of the text. Finally, we filtered the dataset to focus on English entries, ensuring relevance for our project goals and saving the refined data for further analysis. Next, there's the data preprocessing. The data set was cleaned and prepared for analysis through several key steps. Like the non-English text in the abstract column was translated into English using Google Translate library. Text cleaning was followed, where unwanted characters were removed, and lemmatization and stopword removal were applied using the NLTK library. Some necessary NLTK datasets, such as func, stopwords, and wordnet, were downloaded to support these processes. Finally, the data was standardized, ensuring all text was in a consistent format. Next is for keyword extraction. For keyword extraction, we utilize the keyword library to identify the top 5 keywords from the clean abstracts in the clean abstract column. To ensure accuracy, the process was applied to valid non-empty text entries. Extracted keywords then were stored in a new column called keywords, and their occurrence to gain insights into the most frequently occurring terms. Next, for our clustering, we evaluated several clustering algorithms, including k-means, DB-scan, and agglomerative clustering. Using metrics such as silhouette score and Davis-Baldwin index, um, among theses, K-means was chosen for its interpretability, as it provided clear and well-defined clusters that align with thematic analysis. Additionally, its computational efficiency made it scalable for large datasets, and clusters it produced were highly relevant, effectively matching the core themes of the thesis. Okay, now for the clustering results. Our clustering analysis identified 5 key thematic areas. Cluster 0 is management and operation, focuses on organizational behavior, human resource, and service quality, with keywords like management and employee. For Cluster 1, networking and IoT emphasizes technological advancement in real-time systems, and regional case studies with interest in usability and feedback. For Cluster 2, technology and development with methodology highlights innovation in methodologies, system design, and problem solving. For Cluster 3, databases and software engineering centers on tools like MySQL, PHP, Laravel, etc., showcasing a focus on web development and data management. Finally, for Cluster 4, application development emphasizes on mobile and web application, prioritizing usability, functionality, and real-world solutions. Together, this cluster balance theoretical research with practical application across diverse domains. Okay, next is for the trend line results. The analysis of research focused from 2022 to 2024 highlights a clear progression in student thesis topics. From foundational concept in 2022, research centered on basic concepts like database, programming, and application development, reflecting traditional software engineering and data-related projects. Next is by 2023, a shift toward modern practices emerged with agile frameworks like Scrum and tools like Laravel gaining prominence. Topics became more domain specific, addressing challenges in areas like tourism, commerce, and inventory management, while IoT and networking concepts saw steady growth. Okay, next. In 2024, the focus advances to scalable, secure systems with keywords like cloud, microservices, and Kubernetes, alongside a strong emphasis on cybersecurity, IT integration, and localized application in tourism, agriculture, and banking. This evolution demonstrates alignment with global trends and industry demands, transitioning from foundational learning to the development of sophisticated, impactful solutions. For the conclusion, this research successfully identified evolving trends in student thesis topics, showcasing a progression from foundational concepts to advanced real-world applications. Through the application of NLP and clustering techniques, we demonstrated the efficiency, relevance, and interpretability of these methods in analyzing text data. The findings underline their capability to uncover meaningful insights into thematic distributions and trends. Looking ahead, this approach has the potential to significantly contribute to the development of research and education, offering valuable guidance for aligning academics pursuits with industry demands and societal needs. Okay, that's it for our presentation. Thank you for listening.